Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys,
my name is Intan Anggraeni.
My name is Nurlailatul Qiram. We are from Mathematics Education 2018, Mathematics and Science Faculty, State University of Jakarta. Yay! So this is gonna be our first video.
In this session, we're gonna learn about 2D shapes.
So let's start to learn 2D shapes. Yay!
You guys may be wondering, what is a 2D shape? 2D stands for two-dimensional. In geometry, a two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat plane figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes do not have any thickness and can be measured in only two faces.
Yes, exactly. So now you have already got basic information. So, can you find out how many 2D shapes in this picture? Yes, you're right.
In this picture, there are 7 kinds of 2D shapes. They are triangle,
Rectangle,
square,
parallelogram,
trapezoid,
circle,
and kite. First, we're gonna explain about the triangle. This shape is called triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. It's called the base of the triangle, and this one is called the head of a triangle. The triangle has 3 vertices, A, B, and C, and also has 3 edges and always equals to 180 degrees. The area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2, and the perimeter equals sum of side lengths of the triangle.
Next is a square. Square is a polygon has 4 equal sides. Square has 4 vertices. In this picture, we look A equals B equals C equals D. It is special because all 4 the sides are exactly the same length, and all 4 these angles are exactly the same size. In fact, they are all right angles, and also that square is formed by 2 pairs of parallel sides. Area of a square is equal to side times side equals side square, and the perimeter of a square is equal to the sum of all sides equal 4 times sides.
Next, this shape is called a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines. This side is called the width of a rectangle, and this side is called the length of a rectangle. The angles of a rectangle always equals to 360 degrees, and the area of a rectangle equals length times width, and the perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length added to 2 times width.
Next is a trapezoid. A trapezoid, also called a trapezium in some countries, is a quadrilateral with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. A and B is called the parallel sides of trapezoid. The parallel sides of trapezoid are called the base. C and D is the non-parallel sides of trapezoid. The non-parallel sides of trapezoid called the legs of the trapezoid. And area of trapezoid is A plus B times height divided by 2. And the perimeter of trapezoid is the sum of all sides of trapezoid.
Next, it's called parallelogram. It has 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel sides. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal lengths, and the opposite angles of parallelogram are equal measure, like A equals C and B equals D. This one is called the height of the parallelogram, and the area of parallelogram equals base times height, and the perimeter of parallelogram equals the sum of all sides.
Next is a kite. Kite is a flat shape with straight sides. It has 2 pairs of equal length adjacent sides. A and C is called the diagonals of kite. D and B is called the diagonal of kite too. The area of kite is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. And the perimeter of kite is the sum of all sides of kite.
And the last one is called circle. A circle only has one side. From A to B is called diameter, and from O to B is called radius. Radius equals a half of diameter.
And the area of circle is pi times r squared. And the perimeter of circle is 2 times pi times r.
There are still many kinds of 2D shapes,
But that's enough from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.